I just want to say there was no experience because we've done nothing in this song. The only thing that we did have to do was shoot the beginning of that dollhouse portion, where there was actually this really cute dollhouse that we had made. And we all had to kind of take our positions and imagine a reaction. And then the rest of it is all imaginary. So we've actually done nothing.
Actually, Homie was dancing in front of us and that's her reaction. Yeah, and then Dinu also danced in front of us. Then the reaction of looking away is because Dinu was dancing in front of us. Honestly, that's all that we've done. The rest is all Shamak and Homie's idea to have our faces on other people. And
since we are such good dancers.
Yes. But actually, in this video, definitely Pankaj sir stole in the show with some of his steps.
Backflip and cartwheel.
Outstanding.
दीपिका आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि डिम्पल जी को इतना हॉट एंड हैपनिंग लुक दिया गया है एंड कंपैरेटिवली आपका लुक उतना हैपनिंग नहीं है, तो क्या आपको कभी लगा नहीं कि दीपिका डिम्पल जी जैसा हॉट एंड हैपनिंग आपका भी होना चाहिए?
To begin with, she is hot and happening, and there's no way I'm competing with her. But also, I think we all try and stay true to the character that we are in the film. When I'm part of a film, I'm not playing Deepika Padukone. Neither do I consider myself hot or happening. I think we're just trying to be true to the character. The girl Angie that I'm playing is someone who's she's very very real. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं the girl next door. She's someone who's very approachable. She's very loving. She's very sensitive, very caring, and she's naive. She's innocent, and So I think when you're styled in a film, you're styled based on what the character that you're playing.
I think Dimple ma'am will be very happy that you found her look glamorous.
Definitely, she's looking very hot. Arjun, my next question is for you. इसमें रणवीर is playing a cameo and उनका और दीपिका का जो मैरिज वाला पिक्चर है लीक हुआ है, काफी लोगों को पसंद आया है. So I just want to know कि क्या
I just want to say कि वो लीक नहीं हुआ है, हमने ही दिया है.
तो आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि he'll steal the show, मतलब वो ज्यादा पसंद आया है?
यार मैंने उसके साथ पूरी पिक्चर की and वो that thought never crossed my mind. So if he's coming in and being gracious for a scene, अगर हम इतनी छोटी सोच रखेंगे when it comes to working with fellow actors and him providing his one day to add certain value to an emotion in the film, you can't think like that. It's about having fun. I mean, this entire film for me has been that journey. So, like she said, you don't compare yourself and think like that. And why would he want to steal my thunder? Why would I want to steal his thunder? Why can't we coexist? And why can't you guys be happy that we're always coexisting?
पूना फ्रॉम न्यूज़ नेशन, आप दोनों से जानना चाहते हैं ये बूटिया का क्या मतलब होता है?
जड़ी बूटी. बूटिया का मतलब क्या होता है? ये जो मेरी थोड़ी कम है लेकिन है तो सही.
ये इतना प्रोमिनेंट क्यों होता जा रहा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, आम जिंदगी में भी जब लोग नाचते हैं तो सबसे पहले यही करते हैं ना, जब शुरू करते हैं तो वही हिलती है पहले.
गाने में इतना क्यों प्रोमिनेंट होता जा रहा है? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक और अंजन की सिटी में हमारा बम डोले, आई मीन कितना प्रोमिनेंट है ये. खूबसूरत नाम की एक फिल्म आ रही है.
हाँ सुना है मैंने, उसमें सोनम कपूर है ना.
हाँ जी. ये वर्ड इतना कॉमन क्यों होता जा रहा है?
यार लोग सबसे पहले यही हिलाते नाचते वक्त ना. तो आई थिंक द गाइज हु मेक म्यूजिक आर फाइनली रियलाइजिंग सबसे पहले यही हिलता है, तो इसके बारे में हम गाने बनाना शुरू करेंगे.
I think what happens is when you automatically start hearing a fun song and a song that you want to dance to,
that word creates a situation na, that you're thinking अरे ये अलग word है.
Generally the lower part of the body you start tapping your feet, you start moving your legs, and in the process the booty starts moving as well.
अच्छा, आप दोनों की जो तस्वीरें हैं, अर्जुन आपके तस्वीर के ऊपर लिखा है रोमांस एंड दीपिका आपके ऊपर लव. अर्जुन आपके लिए रोमांस क्या है एंड दीपिका आपके लिए लव क्या है, अगर डिस्क्राइब कर सके हिंदी में?
If you are in love, you should have the ability to romance the girl that you're in love with, or guy, if you're in love with. I think there has to be love for there to be romance. So you have to feel very passionately. अगर आप किसी की तरफ बहुत passionately feel करते हैं, उनके बिना जी नहीं सकते, उनके बिना रह नहीं सकते, वो आपकी ज़िंदगी का बहुत अहम हिस्सा है या वो आपकी ज़िंदगी है, तो आप किसी भी हद तक जाएंगे, वो रोमांस होता है. Doing small things, that's romantic. Just being able to make that person smile is romantic. So romance comes in many variables. बहुत अलग-अलग तरीकों से romance हो सकता है. But the important feeling is there has to be love for you to have a genuine romance with somebody.
I don't think you can define it. Love, romance, It's a feeling. You know, I don't think you can define it. It means different things for different people. The feeling is different towards different people. The love you feel for your parents is different for the love you feel for your friend, is different for the love you feel for your husband or your lover. So yeah, but I think the bottom line is, according to me, love is the only universal language.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.